Hey YouTube, Chris Rice Productions here. I'm just going to be showing you how quick, basic overview of the layout of Adobe After Effects CS5. CS6 doesn't change much, it's just got some better features, but I don't have the money to get there right now, so okay, so I'll get started. When you first open Adobe After Effects, this will come up. You can just, these are your recent projects, but if it's first time opening, none of that will be there. You got your new composition, open projects, help and support, or browse templates, and then you can tell whether you want to open it or not when it starts up, and the tips of the day. Got loads of them. But yeah, so just close that, and then you want to create a new composition. Now, composition is basically a timeline for a new movie. So if you've got some nice stuff in, so you want to edit just like one movie, you can put it into a composition. It's just a timeline, and you can put different things into different timelines and then export them at different things, and then you can bring compositions into other compositions. It's all confusing, but I'll show you what I mean about that in the next tutorial. And then you got when you start to open it, your new composition, or this will come up. You can if you know what you're doing, or you just want to do this, then just do this and see different frame rates and different things. I just ignore that, I just do it myself. 1920 by 1080, that's full HD. Square pixels, 60 frames per second, so it's a nice smooth movie. Resolution, that's a playback quality. The less quality it is, the faster it'll render all the frames together. But you can always change that there anyway. Background color doesn't matter. You don't really need to mess with start time code and duration, however long you want it. I'm just going to do it for 10 seconds, press OK, and then just got this black background and a new composition, and it's just fully black all the way, just 10. That's composition. This is project window. Now this is where everything is stored in your like workspace at the moment. So like you've got your composition here, and then your project window, so all of your files that are being used in here, or you can reference to and drag them in there. All of them is there. There's a shortcut button here to create a new composition. So if you've got a movie file in here, it doesn't actually import it into After Effects, so it just references from the original file. So it doesn't take, it does it really quickly to import something to After Effects. So you can just drag it, so you can click and like drag it into a new composition, but I'm not going to do that, I don't need to do that. Yeah, and then this is your timeline, this is where all the magic happens. And then this is your preview thing. You can click and drag and move things, and you've got the size of your viewer here. You've got different grids and stuff to help you with whatever there. You've got the different color channels you can use, and then different quality, like I told you earlier. Active camera, so you can go from the front, left, top, back, right, bottom. Custom view 1, 2, 3, but just go on active camera, that just keeps it normal. Now you didn't see much of a change there because it's just black, so it'll make a difference. Now this is your preview box. You got first frame, previous frame, play, next frame, last frame, audio, loop options, so whether you want it to play once, loop, or ping pong. Now play once, obviously it just plays it once. Loop is going back and forth, or ping pong is again just going from like certain areas to another. And then that's the round preview, which gathers all the frames together and then plays it really smoothly. You can select your frame rate there that it plays at. That's not the frame rate that it'll be exported at, so don't get that mixed up. From current time is where your playhead is at. So if I put it there at 2 seconds, then and I click from current time, then it will only start the round preview from there. And you can do full screen, and the resolution you want to play back at. Obviously, the less resolution, the faster it will render. And then you've got all your different effects and presets here, and then different text things, and you can set different things with your workspace here, and that will show you like what panels will be here and everything. I just keep it standard, that works for me. And then yeah, so that's basically the layout of Adobe After Effects. So I will see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching. See you in a bit.